everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. You have to take your co-star, okay, and the first thing you will be needing your blending solution, okay. So firstly, what you have to be carefully when you are applying the blending solution, okay. Now you have to take your blending solution and apply the few drops of in half part, okay, like this way. You have to apply blending solution in this way, okay, and apply the blending solution very well on your co-stars. Okay, and after that I'm taking my ink and you have to put a little bit of drop, okay, and you have to apply the same technique as like the. Now what you can do, you can take your heat gun and spread. See, the direction, it's very important where you want to spread your colors, okay. So this part is basically the going with the our alcohol work, okay, and the side part I will be applying my deco transfer, okay. So the thing is that you have to maintain the very well the quantity of the color which you are going to apply, okay, and don't apply too much of it, too much of color, or you have to maintain the difference basically, okay. See how you can use the straw as well, but what happened, I have used a straw. So but what happened, because when you use the straw, you know, your color does not move very in good way, okay. So I'm not very much happy with the straw, so that's why I have used my heat gun for spreading our color, okay. So this is basically how you can do, okay. Now you can apply a few more of drops of more color, you can apply it, okay. See how the color is blending, okay. You have to blend very well, and now you can take your heat gun again and just spread the colors, okay. The directions are very important. Don't add too much color at the same time, okay, which is not a good thing. See, so this is how our work co-stars is ready. If you want, you can add a little bit of darkness also, okay. And the side part, what I am going to do, I am going to apply the second technique as well, okay. So you must be apply only the one direction you have to work. Now I'm taking my second co-stars and I'm going to show all co-stars, because of like you can see then how I'm working on it, and so you can use the very well this technique in your projects also. And this technique you can use whatever you are making at your home, okay. See, now I'm just putting, yes, see how the colors are blending very well. See, and I'm really liking these co-stars, guys, because it gives a rich look to your co-stars, okay. So you can add little bit of solution, and you must have remembered that you will be needing like half part should be the blank, because our deco transfer sheets motif are coming here. So you must be knowing that where you are going to apply your things, okay. See, okay. So this is how you can like prepare your co-stars, okay. Now the second is also complete. If you want, you can add a few more colors also, okay. Like this way I'm taking like a little bit of I'm going to add little bit of color also, because I think it's little bit light, okay. So no need to worry about like how to, I'm really kind of person those who like little bit of color should be the more. So according to the choice of yours, you can use. Okay, and I'm telling you, once you will learn these techniques, you will you can't resist yourself to be work with these techniques. Okay, so you have to work very well with this technique. See, now this co-star is also done. Okay, okay, so this way you can color it. Like if you are thinking you have done little bit of light, so you can apply few more drops also. Okay, so this is the two co-stars which are ready. Okay, now I'm going to work with the different one. Okay, now I'm going to take my third co-stars. Okay, so the same thing you can do it, but see that how I'm going to work on this one. Okay, and to apply the blending solution, it's very important in which direction like you are going to apply. Okay, so please make sure whenever you work with the alcohol ink, don't add too much of color because it is spit. Okay, see, and now just see how it is blending very well. Okay, so all the direction I have shown, how you can apply the directions. Okay, and the half part should be blank. I hope I am clear. If you got any confusion, you can always comment and you can ask about the things. Okay, now add little bit of blending solution also. So this one in co-star is also going to be ready. Okay, now our third one co-star is also ready. Now I'm going to start my fourth one. Okay, now this is my fourth one. Again we have to repeat the same process. So you can see the how I'm blending the colors. Okay, basically to blend with the blending solution. Okay, blending solution is that kind of thing like it blend with the color. Okay, so you can take the two color as well, but two colors you have to choose very carefully. Okay, like when you will choose the two color, how it come with. Okay, so it is very important to take the colors. Now you have to take your heat gun and see, and suddenly if you will use the heat gun, you how the color blends. Okay, so that's why I have shown like all the process how you can blend with the colors, how you can blend with the blending solution. So this is basically the whole process which you can follow. Okay, and it depends on you also, how you want to be blend. It's not very much of hard thing. So it depends only that how you are going to work with this. Okay, so it's not a kind of rocket science. It's very very easy process. You must have learned the, and you must have do the practice. Okay, so this is how you can blend your uh, color with the blending solution. Now I'm letting little bit of water. See how it is coming, which is amazing. I'm really loving it, guys, because when you will make at your home, you can't resist yourself to make more and more, because it is so much of fun to be work with the alcoholing, which I have feel. Okay, Now I'm taking my fifth one. Okay, so again you can see, so because I want to share all the direction, all the things, so I have, what I have done, I have shown you the all co-stars. Because of only this reason, like you can see that how the colors are blending with each other. Okay, so when you are using like heat gun, you have to see where your colors are going, okay, in which directions the colors are going. You must have learned this thing. Okay, so according to the practice you will come to know that how your colors are blending, how and how much time is required, to spread the colors, like all the things. Okay, so this is the way you can always go with the different directions. Okay, just add little bit of solution. If you think like is some way it is coming dark, so you can always put some of the drops of blending solution, so it will go in the light. Okay, so you can just see. Okay, so you can just do the one thing, like you can just add the few drops. See how beautifully your coaster done. Okay, and no need such kind of things, like very much you don't need the too much of things while making while working with the co-stars. Okay, with these techniques are the best. I'm telling you guys, once you will learn these techniques you will be amazed, like how the colors blend and how it looks after doing the process. Okay, I'm just putting the few drops of, because it goes little bit of dark, so what I'm trying to make, like sometime happen it goes little bit dark, so I want the things should be equally, matched. And I'm telling you guys, in alcohol work I think there's nothing very much in wrong. You have to just to be patient, pay patience. Okay, so it comes with the practice. Okay, so this is the way you can prepare your coasters. Okay, and now this is the stand, and because to prepare the coaster is very very important. Okay, now again I am repeating the same process, but only the thing you have to like worry about the how you are going to blend, which is very very important. Okay, and see, and it should not be like, it should be mixed with your um, design. Okay, see how the colors are going and how it is blending, which is again a very important process of the work. Okay, See, see the colors how they are blending very well. Okay, and I'm telling you again and again, nothing is wrong, because sometime happen your colors does not go in the right direction. So it comes with the practice. Okay, so no need to worry about that how the things are coming. You have to just make sure whatever you are doing, it should be in proper manner. Okay, see. So this is how you can complete your co-stars. Okay, I'm really liking it because it is blending very well with the solution. So this is the whole process which you can follow. Okay, so I hope guys you have understood that how to work with the alcohol ink with the blending solution. Okay, and I hope guys you like this session also. Okay, so thanks for watching, and